side.
A lot of them. Well, if you think your full coverage auto insurance policy completely protects you in all accidents, think again. Tonight, News Channel 5's Chief Investigator Dwayne Pohlman exposes Ohio's auto insurance myth.
Hey, out here on the road, mistakes happen in a split second. That's why they call them accidents. And that's why you have insurance policies. But here in Ohio, even the best of insurance policies does not completely protect you and your family. And unfortunately, some families are finding that out only after tragedy strikes. In this picture taken in 2003, the Calhoun family is happy, picking up a new car. Just days later, the picture turns tragic. Luke Calhoun was at the wheel of that new car when he turned into the path of an SUV.
And I thought it was safe to go.
The three children took the worst of the impact. Their mother, Vicky, could do nothing.
It was the worst day of my life.
Olivia was badly hurt, but 2-year-old Isabel bore the brunt.
I had to help Belle's neck up so she could breathe.
She died hours later. On top of the tragedy, tens of thousands of dollars in medical bills. But the Calhouns had this, a full coverage insurance policy, the best they could buy.
We asked for full coverage.
Did you get it?
Absolutely not.
The Calhouns received this letter from their insurer. They would get just $5,000, the maximum medical coverage in the policy, nothing more. A claim for hundreds of thousands of dollars that would have once been paid under the uninsured, underinsured section of their policy is denied. The Calhouns are financially ruined.
It's something that's hard to recover from.
In the letter the insurance company wrote, "We do not provide liability coverage for bodily injury to you or any family member, and the car is not covered as an uninsured motor vehicle." Across Ohio, our Five on Your Side investigation uncovered insurance companies denying claims for the exact same reasons. And it's all happening because of something called intra-family exclusion. It's a big phrase, but simply put, it means if you cause the accident, your family's not truly covered. Most of us know nothing about this, but the results could be devastating. You can thank Ohio's lawmakers for the gap. In 2001, they added a simple phrase, including but not limited to a section dealing with auto insurance exemptions, opening the door, attorneys say, to deny coverage to family members.
Very often, it's a family with a really catastrophic loss who doesn't find out until they are dealing with the worst thing in their lives.
So far, the courts have backed the law, stating it's a contract issue. That may be, but insurance contracts are confusing, so we rely on the agents to tell us what we're getting. Since no insurance company offers a policy to cover intra-family exclusions, I called and asked a simple question of 5 agents I picked at random.
If it's my fault, I make a mistake, I have a 6-year-old son in the car, is he covered?
Of the 5 agents, 4 got it wrong, telling me nothing about intra-family exclusion.
We made sure that every time our kids got in the car that, they were protected. But in truth, they never were protected.
Now, lawmakers are trying to close that gap, but until they do, families are just simply losing left and right in court. Here's what you can do. Immediately get on the phone tomorrow morning with your insurance agent. Ask him or her 2 key questions. Is my family covered if I make the mistake? And is that coverage for my family as good as for everyone else? If you don't like what you hear, immediately complain to the insurance companies themselves and to your state representative. Live in Cleveland, I'm Chief Investigator Dwayne Pohlman, News Channel 5.
Very hard to believe, Dwayne. Thank you very much. Just amazing. Here's something else.